Hi, I'm Joan Mazat of the Container Solutions Committee here at Ball, and I'd like to talk to you about one of my favorite containers of the year. And it obviously is a favorite container also of my pollinator friend. There's some nice honeybees buzzing around our Salvia mystic spires. I love it because it's blue, and I love it because it brings pollinators into our world and gives them just a great place to eat as well as our enjoyment. Framing the plant container here in its splendor is the Mahogany Splendor Hibiscus. It's not a flowering hibiscus, but it's definitely used strictly for that awesome display of foliage, and it gives us a great contrast coming into our Canna Canova Scarlet, just about ready to set off a fresh set of flowers, matching wonderfully with our Coleus Inferno. It's definitely on fire. And using zinnias in containers. This is Zinnia Profusion Red and Yellow. I love the way this plant antiques. It goes from a bright color of yellow and into this just special color of rose. And that gives us a perfect opportunity to pair it with the Spotlight Red Impomea. This one is a really nice Impomea because it doesn't cover your driveway with growth. It has a nice bushy appearance, but yet can still cascade down. And then one of my most favorite petunias, this is Colorush White. She holds her place, blooms all summer long, takes the heat, takes the rain, and just keeps a very nice brightness to this darker colored container. So you can use these components all together to make a very sizable impression within your garden, or kind of remember how they work so you could use it into a smaller presentation. And we're just simply loving this.